This is my initial mind map of ideas, which I created to inspire my project, which I then turned into a Pecha presentation, which shows the theme and intentions of my project to the audience that I presented it to. I then made mood boards to help inspire me, followed by a visit to the Plymouth National Marine Aquarium where I did some observational drawings of the things I'd seen and then turned a photo of a jellyfish into initial design in the early stages of my project. I then started experimenting with a range of different techniques to use, including fabric manipulation and different kinds of printing to explore all of my options throughout my project. I made sure to develop everything to be relevant to my project as much as I could. I also made concept boards throughout my project to show how my ideas were developing and be clear about my theme. One of my favourite methods of development was drawing over tracing paper, and I used this a few times throughout my project as shown here. In my final design, I included techniques I wanted to use and colours, and I created a palette of the fabrics I wanted to use inspired by my print stories response from Fatface. While making my toile on my final piece, I did lots of problem solving, making sure to fix any mistakes I made along the way. After making my concept board and doing my photo shoot, I decided to develop my photos into a lookbook inspired by Pierce Atkinson. I then made a mock-up of a poster out of one of my photos to advocate for ocean cleanliness. I did this for my studio photo shoot and my location photo shoot, making sure they had the same look so they linked together and showed a clear development throughout my project. I then turned my essay about Iris Van Herpen and Caroline Saxby into a magazine mock-up, using my own photos and photos from the artists and designers to link them together and show how I had been inspired throughout my project by these designers. The magazine layout helped me to present my essay well and show my intentions clearly.